Hello! Welcome sa Civil Engineering Sample Problem about surveying. So tara na at basahin natin ang sample problem for today. So sabi, meron tayo ditong technical description ng ating lot. Ayan, lot AB or AB, BC, CD, DE, and EA, yung kanilang mga lines. Okay, for the first question, find the corrected bearing ng ating line BC. Then, second question is find the corrected bearing naman ng line DA. And last is the corrected distance naman ng ating line EA. Then, itong both three question is using yung ating tinatawag na transit rule. Okay? So, first is let's compute muna yung ating mga correction. And then, yung adjusted na distance natin and bearings. Okay? So, let's rewrite ating lines. Meron tayong AB, BC, CD, DE, and EA. So, meron tayong bearings, yung ating given bearings. First is north, 48 degrees, 20 minutes east. Then north, 87 degrees east. And then south, 7 degrees, 59 minutes east. Then south, 80 degrees west. And then north, 48 degrees, 12 minutes west. Then for their distance, meron tayong 529.6, 592, 563.6, 753.4, and 428.20. So, let's compute first yung ating latitude and departure. So, for our latitude, and then the departure. Sulat na natin yung ating value. Dito ay X. Then, dito yung Y. So, gagamit tayo ng ating calculator technique na rectangular value ng A and B. Okay? So, let's type in calcu. Meron tayong rect ng A and B. And then, using calc function. Then, yung ating A dyan, itong distance. And then, yung bearing natin is yung ating B. So, meron tayong 529.6. Sa B naman is 48 degrees, 20 minutes. Meron tayong 352.076. So, 3 decimal places tayo. And then, sa ating departure is 395.624. 95.624. So, equal lang uli. For next distance naman, 592. And then, yung ating angle is 87. Meron tayong 30.983. So, 30.983. And then, sa ating departure is 591.189. 591.189. Next is 563.6. 3.6. And then, 7 degree 59. 7 degree 59. Yan, meron tayong 558.138. 558.138. And then, departure natin is 78.12276. 78.276. Then, lastly, yung sa ating DE. Sa DE naman natin is meron tayong 753.4. Sabi natin is 80 degrees. Meron tayong 130.8 827, 130.827. Then, meron tayong sa departure na 741,954.954. Then, next is yung ating 428.2. 428.2. And then, yung binatin is 48 degrees, 12 minutes. Meron tayong 285.409. 285.409. And then, meron tayong 319.213. Ngayon, after natin may sulat is determine natin yung direction. So, naaalala natin yung ating mnemonics para sa direction. Yung ating latitude is north and south. And then, yung ating departure is yung ating east and west. Okay, so for the first line, yung ating line AB, so as you can see, meron tayong north and east. So both positive yan. Okay, so yung latitude is positive kasi north. And then yung ating departure is east, positive pa rin. So for BC, same lang din, is north and east din. So positive both. So for CD naman, dahil south, ayan, yung latitude natin is negative. Yan, based sa ating mnemonics. Then yung ating east is positive yan, yung departure. And then both ito is negative 1 kasi parehas south and west naman yung isa. And then ito naman north is positive and west. Ayan, so nasulat na natin yung ating mga direction. So let's solve na yung ating adjusted latitude and departure based doon sa ating transit rule formula. So, using yung ating formula for our first question. So, lagay natin dito. Okay. Yung ating adjusted, pwede natin sabihin unahin yung latitude or departure. So, unahin na natin yung latitude na lang muna. So, using pa rin yung ating transit rule. So, may dalawa yan. Meron tayong compass rule, but the question, yung ating problem, nagre-require na gamitin yung ating transit rule. Okay, ayan. So, as you can see, transit rule. So, yung ating formula for the transit rule is yung adjusted latitude equal yan sa ating latitude minus yung ating error ng latitude and then yung ating multiplied by the absolute value ng ating kinukuhang latitude over the summation ng ating absolute value ng latitude. Ayan. So, kunin natin itong dalawa. Itong latitude, summation ng both latitude. Then, yung error. So, first is we need to get the error. So, kunin lang natin to. Carrying yung ating mga sign. So, let's add, subtract. Meron tayong positive 352.076 plus 30.983 minus 558.138 minus 130.827 and then plus 285.409. Ayan. So, meron tayong total error na 20.497. Meron tayong negative. So, negative 20. Ano natin to? Okay, meron tayong error sa ating latitude na negative 20.497. For sa latitude naman, yung ating error sa departure, so 395 plus yung ating 0.624 plus 591.189 dito. Ito na tayo. Okay. 189 plus 78.276 minus 741.954 minus 319.218. So, meron tayong error dyan na 3.917. So, positive 3.917. Okay, so let's check kung tama input natin. 624, 591, 189, 78, 276, 741, 954, and 319, 218. Ayan, okay. So next, let's solve naman yung summation with the absolute value. Ito sa baba ng ating ito. Okay? So summation ang latitude, absolute value. So with regards, ngayon naman gagawin nating positive lahat. So let's say 352.076 plus yung ating 30.983 plus 558.138 plus 130.827 plus 285.409. Dito, meron tayong total value na 1,357.433. And then for summation naman ng ating departure, absolute value ng departure, so meron tayong 395.624 plus 591.189 plus 78.276 plus pa din, hindi tayo magma-minus, 741.954 plus 319.218. Yan. So, meron tayong 2126.261. 2126.261. So, check din natin. 395, 624, 591, 189, 78, 276, 741, 954, and 319, 218. Ayan. So, pwede na tayo mag-solve for our first adjusted. Tayo dito. Ang ating adjusted value. Adjusted ng latitude. And then, adjusted ng departure. So, let's create a calc function na lang sa ating calculator. So, let's say yung ating latitude is yung ating A minus the error, yung ating B. Then, absolute value, yung ating C. Then, the D. So, meron tayo dyan makukuhang adjusted latitude. Ayan. So, type natin sa calcu. Meron tayong A minus B multiplied by the absolute value ng ating absolute value tayo. Ito, shift. Tayo. Wrong. Yan. Mali lang tayo kanina. So, shift. Tapos, ito yung abs. Yun. Tapos, ito ay C. Okay. Ito ay C and then D. Ayan. So, calc lang tayo. So, for A, dito muna tayo sa una. So, meron tayong latitude na 352.076. Tabi natin is the error ng ating latitude. So, negative 20. Dadalhin yan yung ating sign. 20.497. Yung C natin, yung absolute value niya. So, carry pa rin yung sign. Ano ang ating value ng C is the latitude niya. 352. 352. Point. Medyo improve natin yung ating formula. So, let's say, since yung A natin pala is the same as the latitude dito, so we can say na yung ating value dito, A na rin yan. Lagyan na natin ng A. Ayan. So, ito, C na lang to, C. Ayan. So, palitan natin to ng C. Kasi yung latitude dito, it is the same, which is the same naman dito. So, ito na lang. Same na lang sila. And then, naka-absolute value naman to eh. Okay? So, calculate natin, 352.056. Yung B natin, same pa rin. So, yung C natin is the 1357.433. Yan. For our first corrected value ng ating latitude, yung ating adjusted, is ayan, let's check. Meron tayong A, 352.076, negative 20, 1357. And ayan, meron tayong adjusted latitude na 357.392. Ayan. Ayusin lang natin. 392. Ayan. So, for next naman is yung sa BC naman tayo. So, 30.983. So, yung ganun pa rin. And then, ganun pa rin yung C natin. So, meron tayong 31.451. 31.451. So, for CD naman, yung ating kanyang latitude is negative 558. Sama natin yung negative. Don't forget. 0.138. B, ganun pa rin. C, ganun pa rin. So, meron tayong negative 549.710. So, 549, negative 549.710. Yan. So, for D naman, negative 130. 130.827. 827. So, ganun pa rin. So, negative 128.852. Negative 128.852. And last, sa EA natin is 285.409. Meron tayong 285 or 289.718. 289.719. Ayan. So, for adjusted departure naman, is palitan lang natin to. So, instead nung ating mga E-latitude, E-departure, tsaka summation ng absolute value ng departure, yung gagamitin natin. Meron tayong A dito. So, 395. 395.624. So, ang ating E-departure, ating E-departure is 3.917. And then, yung ating summation ng departure is 2126.261. Ito naman, dalawa yung gagamitin natin. Meron tayong 394.895. 394.895. Ayan. So, for our BC naman, meron tayong 591.189. Well, equal na lang tayo dyan. So, 590.0.1 na yan. 0.1. So, 590.100. And then, for CD naman, 78.276. 78.276. Meron tayong 78.132. Then last, meron pa palang dalawa. Negative naman to. So, carry natin yung sign. Negative 741. 741.954. Yan. So, meron tayong negative 743.321. 0.321. Then, last is negative 319. Negative 319.218. Yan. Meron tayong negative 319.806. 319.806. Okay, so ngayon, dahil tayo ay meron ng mga adjusted latitude and departure, so for our first question, makukuha na natin yung ating corrected bearing of line BC. So for the corrected bearing ng ating line BC, corrected bearing ng ating line BC, so, yung ating tangent lang natin, ating tangent theta ng BC, equal siyan sa departure over yung ating latitude. Okay, so yung BC natin is, departure natin is 590.1. Then, ang ating latitude, yung adjusted, is 31.451. Sulat lang natin. Meron tayong 590.1 .100 over yung ating 31, ito 31.451. 31.451. So meron tayong theta BC equals, okay na to, arcta na tayo ng ating 590.1 over 31.451. Ayan. So, meron tayong 86. Change natin sa degree, minutes, and seconds. Meron tayong 86 degrees, 56 minutes, and then 56.94 seconds. Ayan. So, tapos, yung ating direction, kita nyo naman, both positive. So, meron tayong north, natin north 86 degrees, stop east. Yan, both positive to eh. So yung ating departure and latitude is north and east. So this will be our final answer para sa question number 1. So for question number 2 naman, yung tinatanong is the corrected bearing ng line DE. So corrected bearing ng ating BE. Ayan, BE. DE. DE pala. Meron tayong value ng DE, yung adjusted, ito. So, negative 128.852. Tapos, negative 743.321. So, ganun pa rin yung ating tangent ng theta DE. Equal siya dun sa ating departure over the latitude. Then departure natin is negative 743.321. So negative 743.321 over, so 321 over yung ating negative 128.852. Negative 128.852. So, meron tayong theta DE equals, so both negative naman yan. So meron tayo ditong south and then west. So yun na, ito ay west na kasi both negative. So meron tayong arctangent ng ating negative 743.321 over yung ating negative 128.852. Ayan, so meron tayong 80 degrees. 80 degrees, 9 minute, 56.56 seconds. So this will be our final answer. Ayan, and then for our last question, yung ating corrected distance ng ating line EA. So, instead of tangent is pwede naman tayong gumamit ng ating latitude squared and departure squared. So, using yung ating Pythagorean na lang. So, for number 3, yung distance ng ating EA. So, using yung ating distance equals the square root ng ating latitude squared plus yung ating departure squared. Okay, so since EA yan, lagyan natin ng EA yan. So, yung distance ng EA equals yung ating value ng latitude ng EA. So, meron tayong 289.719. So, 289.719 squared plus yung ating last is negative 319.806. Negative 319.806 squared. Yan. Meron tayong distance ng EA equals square root ng 289.719 squared minus, plus negative 319.806 squared. Meron tayong 431.524 meters. 431.524 meters. And this will be our final answer. So, ayan. Let's recap lang yung ating mga naging sagot. For our question number 1, sige. Meron tayong final answer na north 86 degrees, 56 minutes, and 56.94 seconds. For question number 2, the corrected bearing yung DE natin is 80 degrees, 9 minutes, 56.56 seconds west. And then the corrected distance ng ating EA is 431.524 meters. And that's all para sa ating sample problem for today. So thank you for watching.